Chevy, but it's ready to roll. I got a rhinestone.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Trinity County Sheriff's Office is searching for Haven Barker, a white female, 8 years old, 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 60 pounds, with blonde hair and brown eyes. Police are looking for Charles Esteep, a 50-year-old male, American Indian-Alaskan native, 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 165 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a black 2015 Honda Accord bearing Texas license plate number PYS4575. The suspect was last seen in Coldspring, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Trinity County Sheriff's Office at 936-642-1424.